Hi viewers, today on Blobinel we are going to unbox Taxton T3 Rubik's Speed Cube. This cube is ideal for children above 2 years of age. This 3x3x3 cube is a 3-layer puzzle where your tot needs to rotate every side to match each color. It enhances his hand-eye coordination and finger movements. The smooth turns help in increasing his speed and reduces the average time taken to solve the puzzle. The cube doesn't come pasted with colored stickers, and this makes the toy more functional, smooth, and durable. The ease of movements make the game interesting and gradually improve the imagination, memory, and problem-solving skills of your kid. This cube is crafted from ABS plastic, which gives it a light and weightless feel. Okay, let's open this product now. Yo, wow, its colors are really good looking.
பாத்தீங்களா வீடியோ எடுக்கலாம்.
It's a smooth cube. The colors are vibrant and it looks pretty cute actually, and the corner cuttings of 45 degrees help in speedy rotations even when the boxes are not perfectly aligned. The packing was nice and the product was brand new without any defects as promised.